Are you struggling to build an email list because you do not have the time to create a lead magnet from scratch? What if I told you that you could get a complete, high-converting funnel ready to go right now for just one single dollar? Welcome to App Verdict. Today we are looking at the Lazy AI Affiliate PLR Lead Magnet Package. Here's my honest take. If you want to build a list in the make money online niche, this is a no-brainer. For $1, you skip hours of writing and designing. You get the report, the landing pages, and the graphics done for you. But you need to act fast before the price jumps back to $10. So what exactly is this package? It is a brand new private label rights bundle created by Jason Oikel. It teaches your audience how to use artificial intelligence to automate their affiliate commissions. But the real value is that it gives you everything you need to start collecting leads today. You get a professionally written 1,400-word report. You get a mobile responsive lead capture page and a thank you delivery page. You also get all the product graphics, promotional banners, and the fully editable source files. This is perfect for new or busy affiliate marketers who need a high-quality freebie to bribe visitors into giving up their email addresses. It solves the biggest problem we all face. Creating good content takes too much time. Let us look at what you get inside. Once you download the package, you will see a few folders. First, you have the main report and a Word document. It is clean, well-written, and ready to export as a PDF. You can edit it, put your name on it, or just use it exactly as it is. Next, look at the lead capture pages. These are simple HTML pages. You do not need any fancy page builder software. Just add your autoresponder form code, upload them to your web host, and you are live. Finally, you have the graphics folder. It includes high-quality ebook covers and banner ads in all the standard sizes. You even get the Photoshop source files if you want to change the colors or the title. It's a complete business in a box. Now let's talk about the pricing and the funnel. The front-end offer is currently on a launch special for just $1. Yes, $1. After the launch, it goes up to $9.95. When you buy, you will see an order bump for $9.97. This is the 30-day traffic plan swipe vault. It is totally optional but highly recommended if you struggle with getting traffic to your new squeeze page. Then there's one main upgrade. OTO1 is $17 and gives you unrestricted PLR to the entire package. This means you can resell the PLR rights to other people. If you want to make bigger profits, grab that upgrade. If you pick this up through my link below, I am giving you a massive custom bonus package to help you get the most out of this funnel. I have put together 10 exclusive App Verdict bonuses you won't find anywhere else. First, Lead Book Generator. This tool easily integrates Facebook lead odds with your autoresponder. Second, YP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers inside your emails to boost your sales. Third, 100 ready-made niche blogs to help you drive free search engine traffic. Fourth, Opt-in Monster. Easily add floating opt-in panels to your sites to collect more emails. Fifth, Email List Secrets Video Tutorial. Learn exactly how to build and monetize your new list. Sixth, Two-Step Opt-in Generator. Boost your conversion rates with professionally designed pages. Seventh, How to Add Hundreds of Subscribers Weekly. Discover exactly how to scale your list growth. Eighth, Lead Generation Authority. A complete guide to finding sales-ready leads. Ninth, YP Headline Pro. Learn the tricks to write headlines that get massive click-through rates. 10th, Web List Pro software. Create professional pop-ups to get maximum leads. You get all 10 of these bonuses completely free when you click the link in the description and buy the $1 front-end offer today. My final verdict? You cannot lose here. For one single dollar, you're getting a high-quality lead magnet that would cost hundreds of dollars to outsource to a freelance writer. But you must hurry. The $1 launch pricing is strictly limited. Once the launch window closes, the price goes up and my exclusive bonuses will be removed. I'm only giving these 10 custom bonuses to the first 25 buyers. Click the link in the description right now to secure your copy and lock in your bonuses. Thank you for watching this App Verdict review. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and marketing strategies. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your Warrior Plus receipt area. Click the link below, and I will see you in the next video.